6:53. Welcome back, everybody. David Dargy is here. He's the Director of Tournament Development for the Great Waterway Classic, a tournament that's coming up in the very near future. Morning, David. How are you?
Good morning, Kurt.
Good to see you. I haven't seen you since the big media event you had down at Smuggler's Glen a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, we got a chance to play together.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We had a great time at a great golf course, one that is host to a pro event in the next couple weeks.
Yeah, I think people are really going to have their eyes open when they come down and play it. You've played it a number of times. And since you've played it, we've grown the rough a little bit around the greens in the fairways.
Make it tougher.
It is tougher. Greens are going to be slicker. We're going to double roll them and cut them. I think the pros are going to have a good test.
Yeah. Now, these are pros on the Canadian Tour, correct?
Canadian Tour. And the Canadian Tour is very much a developmental tour. It doesn't mean that they're all young guys. There are some older guys out there. But it's basically college golfers coming out of college.
Yeah. The up-and-comers.
Up-and-comers, and these are the guys you're going to see on the PGA Tour in 3 and 4 years' time.
Matter of fact, we're hoping in the near future that the Canadian Tour will become officially part of the PGA sort of network.
Yeah,
right?
And you heard that at the media day.
Yeah.
Rick James, who's the commissioner of the Tour, has been working for the last 2 years, really trying to get something going with the PGA Tour. In fact, in our tournament on Wednesday and Thursday, Jeff Mundy, Senior Vice President from PGA Tour, is coming down.
Yeah.
He's going to have a look at us, and they want a commitment for us for the next 3 years, which we've already got through our title sponsor.
Yeah. This particular tournament, it's open for people to come watch, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thursday through Sunday. And we're giving away tickets, literally. I mean, Thursday and Friday are $10 each. And that gets you the 2 days. Saturday and Sunday is 20, gets you the 2 days, and a 4-day pass is 25.
Yeah.
I mean, you couldn't ask for better prices to get into professional golf tournament.
Yeah, that's right. Now, who's coming to this tournament? All members of the Canadian Tour plus some qualifiers?
Yeah, we just had a qualifier yesterday, and amazing stuff. 4 guys shot 70. And there's 200 par, and 2 of those guys were 16 and a 17-year-old.
So those 4 guys are in?
They're in. They're in. We've got our 12 exemptions that we give out. Next Monday, actually, we're going to give out 10 exemptions because the Canadian Tour wants us to get to the full field of 156. There's a guy that you may remember, Chris. I can never pronounce his name. Barilla? Is it Barilla?
Yeah.
Played on the PGA Tour. He's playing in the tournament.
Oh, nice.
Tried to get Fritchie, Brad Fritch. He can't make it. They're in Idaho this week.
Well, he's on the next tour
in the web.com.
Web.com.
They were trying to come back, and guys like Matt McQuillan, they were trying to come back because they're really trying to support us in terms of what we're doing.
Yeah.
As you know, the only tournament that's been held, professional golf tournament, was in Ottawa at your course,
Eagle Creek. But that was years ago.
1999, 2001.
Yeah.
So in 11 years' time, and this is the first one really in southeastern Ontario.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
I know you're trying to make a splash, make it look great here, so we can attract more of these events to Eastern Ontario, right?
That's the idea. Our title sponsor is the Great Waterway Tourism Region, and they're very obviously very strong on bringing any sort of major sporting event to this area. So we're really working hard to support that. This professional golf is a great sport to watch.
Yeah.
You're going to be right beside the players. These are guys. You
can walk with them, basically.
These are going to be the guys on the PGA Tour in 4 or 5 years' time.
You can get more information at thegreatwaterwayclassic.ca. When's the first day, David?
First day is Thursday, September the 6th.
Right, so a week from Thursday, things get rolling.
A week from Thursday.
Looking forward to it. Thanks for coming by to tell us more, and good luck.
Thanks.
Thegreatwaterwayclassic.ca. Check it out if you're a golf fan. It's just down the road in Smugglers, my friends. Top notch.